So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, ayan, so wala tayo masyadong vlog ngayon sa motor at dahil na-operan tayo ngayon. Car parking race muna, drag race and circuit. Ito ang clan ko na Mac. Ayan, so manonood tayo, mag-viewers muna tayo sa kanila magiging laro. So yun guys, wala kasing boses kasi na-disable tong record eh. So yan, explain ko lang ng konti. So magsi-circuit sila, race to 3. Ang premium is 10.75. Yan, 10 million, 7 million, 5 million. So ayan, nagsiset na sila ng kung ready na or go, kung sino magbibitaw. Ayan, nagbabasa-basa muna tayo bago yung race. So car parking, drag race, circuit pala. Yan. So for this vlog siguro puro mga games muna about kotse or moto. Soon babalik tayo sa motor kasi medyo na-operahan tayo eh. So yun guys, hindi naman tayo masyadong madrama kaya hindi na natin bilag yung nangyari sa akin. So ayan, G na yata. So copy. Ayan, pinasasakay na sila. Ayan, puro 1,600 horsepower to. 1625 horsepower lahat. Hindi sila mga stock, mga naka pure set talaga. Ayan, so nandun kami sa gilid. Ayun yung mga kotse namin, mga stock kasi yun eh. So ayan, mag-iintay na lang yung thumbs up tapos go na. Ayan.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside.
So ayun nga guys, mukhang first si Kenji pero parang second yata na yata yung Pepito. So ayan, takbo tayo at tapos na. Second siguro si Kenji. And guys, salamat sa panonood. Please like, comment, and subscribe. More car parking videos and moto. Basta uploads natin kung ano yung mas nakakabuti. Salamat guys. Car parking. Shoutout nga pala sa Maclan. Pwede rin kayo sumali sa Facebook group para makamili nito. Let's go!